Kit contains 1 hydrating Glacier water plus pink Peony gel cream mask, 1 rejuvenating cucumber plus pink salt clay mask, 1 revitalizing pomegranate peel-off gel mask, 1 detoxifying charcoal plus black sugar mud mask, and 1 bristle brush. French pink clay removes impurities and detoxifies pores, leaving a smooth, glowing complexion. Hawaiian Black Salt helps to gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin for a luminous complexion. Hydrating Aloe replenishes and soothes dry skin, while Seaberry helps to improve elasticity for soft, supple skin. Masks are soothing, clearing, brightening, hydrating, polishing, and detoxifying. Perfect for all skin types: oily skin, normal skin, combination skin, dry skin, and sensitive skin. Made with clean ingredients, Freeman products are free of parabens, sulfates, silicone, phthalate, and mineral oils. Top reviews from the United States. Small but good for your skin. My BF have some at his house but is a different brand and the bottle is bigger than this one, but the smell is supposed to be smelling like that, nothing wrong with it. If you don't like the smell, then should have just buy normal face mask care. The bottle is 44 megaliters, it said on the picture. Look before you buy it or at least read the review.